Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Will. This is the Wimmy YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, go down below, hit that subscribe button. I always really appreciate that. So for today, we're going to be doing another product review, install, unboxing, what we always do on this channel. So today, it's not going to be anything performance related. It's not really going to be anything to do with like changing the ride of the car itself or of the truck. It's actually going to be something for you to actually enjoy while you're driving the vehicle, if that kind of makes sense. It's going to make sense in a second, but yeah, we're going to be doing the install on the 2022 Bronco Wildtrak, and we'll also go ahead and throw it in the TRX as well so you can see it in both vehicles. And you're probably thinking, oh, what is this? But you already know what it is from seeing the title of this video. And it is the AI Lite box from One Car Stereo. And what I mean by the AI Lite box is that this is a wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, basically receiver box, and you could go ahead and you can watch YouTube and Netflix and have have wireless Apple CarPlay if your vehicle doesn't already have it. So I've gone ahead, opened it up here. As you can see, AI box Lite, One Car Stereo, and this is the little thing that we are going to be installing right here today. I've never used one of these before, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. This might not be legal in every state, in the US or around the world. I'm not really too sure, so viewer discretion. I'm not promoting this in any way for you to go ahead and grab one of these. Check your local laws if you're really concerned about it. But yeah, and I say all that because this will allow you to watch Netflix, YouTube on your infotainment system while the vehicle is in motion. So again, it could be illegal where you live. Just do the research. But this is exactly how it comes shipped in that box, and then this little box right here. As you can see, it's got a SKU number on there, branded box, instructions over here, and this is the little unit itself. And then on the inside we have the actual cable for your USB port, and then a little adapter over here as well. So like I said, I want to install this on both of the vehicles because in the Wildtrak, I do have wireless CarPlay, but in my TRX, since mine is a 2021 and I'm still running the Uconnect 4 in this, like the other 5th gen Rams, before 2022, yeah, all Uconnect 4 does not have wireless CarPlay. So by adding that box, I will have wireless CarPlay in the TRX. So I figured I'd go ahead and, it'd be two different installs. So I got both vehicles here, so why not do it for both? But we're gonna start with the Bronco over here. I'm gonna go ahead, get it installed, show you the quick installation. It's pretty simple to do, and then yeah, we can go ahead and check it out. All right guys, so now we are inside the Bronco. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing installed. So like I mentioned, the Bronco, I'm not too sure about the 2021, but I know with my 2022, it does have wireless CarPlay. So as you can see up here, this is just the regular Ford screen up here, and then right here the button for CarPlay. As soon as I go ahead and click that, as you can see, just a standard Apple CarPlay here, and you can see my phone. It's obviously not connected to anything, and here we go, we got CarPlay. So as you can see, we don't have any app icon for YouTube or Netflix or anything like that. So obviously it's not like you could just go in there and play any of those from just the factory. So that's why this little box is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get this installed real quick. On the Bronco, right down here, you got the USB port for the harness or the cable. So let's go ahead, and then just right up here, it just connects right into there. So connect it here, plug it in, and then hopefully you can see that we got the little light on right there, indicating that there is power going to the unit. So now that really difficult installations all done, we go into our phone and we enable our Bluetooth to sync up with that right there. So let's go ahead, search for new devices. All right, so as you can see right there, Apple CarPlay is available on AI box. Hopefully you can see that little message that just popped up there. So let's go ahead, go down back to the Ford sync icon. That brings you back to the regular Ford menu up here. We'll go to phone list, and then as you can see right there, AI box. Connect to that. Will be disconnected. Continue. Yes. Enable. We'll skip that for now. Connecting to Apple CarPlay, and just like that, there we are. So obviously this menu looked a little bit different. Let's see if we can get back to that. AI box is starting, and then on your phone you're gonna get a you can see right there a little weird name that goes along with it, and then use CarPlay. There we go. And then right there, BT2C89, that was the name of mine, and we are connected. Let's go over here to apps, and then hopefully you can see that we now have Netflix and YouTube and video available up there. So just go ahead, I'll click on video. I think I have like a Baby Shark video or something like on my phone, so, or whatever this is. I don't know what this is. Oh, some Fast and the Furious trailer. Look at that. That didn't even, I don't know why this is playing, but okay, that works. And as you can see, we are now playing a commercial to Fast and the Furious on the screen over here. Again, I don't know how that happened, but okay. All right, so now let's go ahead and try out YouTube. You're gonna have to turn on like your personal hotspot, so you can go ahead and do that on your phone. I'm not going to show you how you do it, because I mean, if you have an iPhone you probably know how to do it, and if you have an Android, I have no idea, and you probably know how to do it. So go ahead and get your hotspot turned on, and then we'll go up here to settings, and then more settings right here, network and internet. Hopefully you guys can see all this again. Click on that, it's the first one, and then Wi-Fi right here. You want to click right over here to make sure it's turned on, then go ahead and click on it, and then your hotspot name will show up here. Go ahead, hit iPhone. Let me put my password in real quick. All right, and now hopefully I'm gonna just show you guys. You can see right up there, iPhone is connected. So now that we have internet via the hotspot to the AI box, we can go ahead and go back to the home menu up here, go up to YouTube, and we can search for whatever we want on YouTube. Let's go ahead. Look at that. Look at the Wimmy YouTube channel right there on our screen. We could go ahead and watch all the best YouTube videos right there. Look at that, pretty cool, right? Let's go ahead, click on that. That's pretty sweet, I gotta say.
I love making pizza.
Yep. So yeah, it's pretty simple how to use that. So hopefully this video wasn't too confusing. It's honestly just plugging this little box into the access port down here, and then it'll automatically connect all through here. And then after that, you go into your phone over here, you make sure that you are connected via Bluetooth, and then go ahead and make sure you have a hotspot going so you can get Wi-Fi to the AI box. And then after you have the Wi-Fi and the internet all connected to it, you could go ahead and you can start streaming YouTube or Netflix, and yeah, you could go ahead and, you know, basically watch whatever you want while you're driving. I'm not gonna go ahead and say you should do that, but if you wanted to, you totally could. So I think that's really rad. And again, you saw just how simple it was to go ahead and get this installed. I do want to just go ahead and mention that I do really wish I had the larger 12-inch screen in here. I believe this is the, I don't know, 8-inch screen. So yeah, with the 12-inch screen, it's basically this whole area right here. And with watching YouTube and all that, it would make for viewing a lot better if you did have the larger screen. But don't think that, you know, it's not good with just having the smaller screen. It works perfectly fine. It's more than big enough if you're sitting right here to easily watch whatever you want to watch. And I guess for the passengers in the back, the 12-inch would be a little bit better as well. But again, those are passengers in the back, who cares? But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get this installed on the TRX as well. So you could see firsthand that it works in there as well. And you'll also see, once again, like I mentioned before, wireless CarPlay will also be added. All right, so now we're in the TRX. Let's go ahead and get this installed. So again, just the unit with the cord right here, the TRX. Down here, as you can see, we have the USB and aux ports and everything right up here. So just go ahead, plug that in down here. Wait. There we go. We can see we got power to it right now. So there, that's all that is involved with the install. So you could go ahead and stick this little box right in that little cubby hole right there. I typically keep a knife in there, but if not, you could just go ahead, shove that in right there. Move you up again. We'll go ahead and get that box synced up to the phone over here. Now, again, like I mentioned before a few times actually, this is a 2021 TRX, so it still has the Uconnect 4 system, doesn't have the 5, and it does not have the wireless CarPlay. You can see right there, AI box starting up, and it's already all paired up with the actual car itself. So as long as my hotspot is connecting to it, which it should, we can go ahead and we can get right into streaming anything that we want. And again, it's connecting to my phone, wireless CarPlay. So you see just how simple that is right there. And now you can see we got the screen up here and everything for the CarPlay. And that's just how easy and how simple it is to add wireless CarPlay to your 21 TRX or your 5th gen Ram in general, or probably even the 4th gen. Obviously they're not going to have wireless CarPlay, so you could just get one of these boxes and it more or less just works instantly. So let's go ahead and we'll pop on YouTube up here, and we can see how that works and how that looks on the big screen up here. Okay, so I took you guys off the tripod here so you can get a better look at everything. So as you can see, wireless CarPlay. We're gonna go ahead and click on this little square right there. That's gonna take us back to the home menu up here. We'll go ahead, we'll get on YouTube again. We'll go to apps. This is apps on here, and then go back to the CarPlay button down there, and then you can see we got the other menu up here now. We'll go ahead, jump on YouTube. Let's go ahead, go back up here, search for the best YouTube channel on YouTube. Oh, there it is, Wimya, right there, baby. And there you go. Look at that TRX right there. Look at that. Let's jump back onto this video. Boom. Pretty sweet, huh? It's pretty easy to get this thing, you know, up and running and everything. Look at that. We can chill here now. You can drive on your long road trips, and you can watch YouTube, Netflix, and have wireless CarPlay for about like $200, and for about 5 minutes of your time with just, you know, throwing this together. So pretty sweet if you ask me. I think this is a great little addition. I'm not gonna call this a mod, but a great little accessory to have on your vehicle if you're doing long road trips or anything like that, and you can be irresponsible and watch TV, movies, videos, YouTube, all that while you're driving. Or I mean, if you're not irresponsible while you're filling up at a gas station or anything like that while you're out working. So yeah, I think this is super cool. And again, this is the AI Box Lite from onecarstereo.com. I will have a link down in the description below for this product. Go ahead, Pick up one of these things, you won't regret it. I think they're super sweet and honestly super easy to install. And as you can see right there, I did all of this in real time. It took like no more than 5 minutes to get this up and running. So yeah guys, that's gonna do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Comment down below if you're gonna go ahead and pick up one of these things, because that'll make me really happy that I was able to share some insight on this product with you guys. So yeah guys, always I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later everyone.